Okay, so this is gonna be our room for quite a number of. Ooh, that's a heavy door. That's the. As you go in the door, the bathroom's on the left-hand side. Nice bathtub. Looks like it's a jacuzzi type. Nice walk-in shower. Very nice shower head. Nice glass tiles. And there's a separate door room for if you want to do your private business. With a lady kinda semi-glancing at you. Very nice double vanity. Towels. Brightly lit mirrors. Hello, we just checked in. Hooks. And this happens to be a pocket door, which I think is practical. Instead of having a door that swings out or in, it saves space. And of course, outside you've got a full-length mirror to just make sure that you're presentable when you go down to the casino floor or if you're going out. And now for the room itself. Nice panel TV. I'd say that these lamps are like mood lamps because they're not as bright, but that's okay. You have your sectional, just in case you've got visitors. Separate desk area to put your other essentials or just in case you happen to be on a business trip. There's the bar next to the TV, which I think is either a 50 or a 55 inch. You have one refrigerator, and we know of course that items here are weighted, meaning that if you take one out, it'll be charged to your room. Same goes with the items here. Everything is weighted. Tablet, everything's so electronic nowadays. Tablet, I guess, for checking on the weather and maybe ordering room service. There is no coffee maker. But the good thing is that there's another mini refrigerator for your items like water and other essentials. Nice closet with a folding rack for your suitcase. Another closet that has the safe and your flat iron. So that's what it looks like coming in from the hallway to the living space, to the working space, and now for the bedroom. The king-sized bed, 2 lamps on either side, and there's a swing-out lamp So just in case you'll be doing any reading in the evening, or making sure that you know where the remote is. Another TV by the foot of the bed. And of course, because it's a fountain view terrace room here at the Cosmo, you have the view of the Bellagio, and eventually the fountains, and we can see the high roller at the Link Promenade, the big Ferris wheel, and the Eiffel Tower that's in front of the Paris Hotel. We are at the Chelsea Tower. There are two towers for the Cosmopolitan. The Chelsea Tower is towards the back, and this tower right here is called the Boulevard Tower because it's nearer the boulevard, or the Las Vegas Boulevard. So yeah, it's a pretty decent room. Oh, and what? Look, we already have a guest. Hello. How are you liking the room?
It's beautiful.
Okay, that's good. Enjoy the view. So yeah, it's a nice room here at the Cosmopolitan. So again, that's your view from the bedroom. It's a fairly big bedroom. It all has a bench on the left-hand side. And as we can see, it's really safe because look, it's still far from the edge of the balcony. So unless you're planning to do something silly, there's no way for you to have an accident. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching the video. Bye. Okay, back in the bedroom. Just a quick once over. Nicely laid out. Bye for now. Bye-bye.